Alright, this video is about one-point linear perspective, and our goal is to be able to draw these 3D shapes accurately. If you look at this prism, there's, right now as I'm holding it, you can only see one face. But if I turn it this way, we can see these other two faces, and we see these vertices where these two planes come together. And creating these angles can be a challenge. We're going to start off with a worksheet that I put together to help. Alright, it looks like this, and this is typically the most common mistakes I see. One is this, and this is a problem with the angle of these three lines. Another mistake I see is this, and here's a problem with the back edge of the plane, of the prism. As you can see on this, the things that we have to get right are the face facing us, these shapes and angles, and then the back edge. And what you'll notice is that this line and this line are parallel. And that's what we're going to try to accomplish with this worksheet. So, I'm just going to do this whole worksheet, and probably the best way to watch this is to watch it and fast forward. If you need to pause it and rewind it to try to figure out what you should do, feel free. I'm going to connect these edges to my single vanishing point here. And now I have to draw the back edge of that prism, and I want it to be parallel. So if I use my ruler, sometimes that can help me achieve that. So I'll slide this over, make sure I'm not like this or like this. I'm parallel to this line. Same with this one. And I'll erase these. Cylinder, pretty much the same thing. I want my curve to pretty much match curve. Now these four shapes are a little more complex. Parallel. This and this are parallel. Let's do the star. I'll do the triangle first. It's a bit easier. I'll save the star for last. Parallel. Parallel. Alright, I'm checking here to see if I need to draw this line here, and it looks like I don't, because I wouldn't see that line be passing through the face of that star. How about this? No. But this one, yeah, I need to draw that one, because I would see it right here. Now how do I draw the back edge of this? It's kind of a challenge. I got to really think through this shape. Now this line, I want this to be parallel. I want this and this. Now a lot of kids make the mistake of drawing this line right here, but these two are lined up, so I want this to be lined up. Alright, let's do this A+. This will take me some time. Feel free to fast forward or watch in fast motion. Now when you have multiple shapes, I recommend doing the bottom of the shapes first. It can be helpful for overlapping. All right, the top of this A. Now the back edges. I'll start with the plus. This parallel here. Now what about that A? Looks like these are lined up. This can be a challenge. I want that fully parallel. I want this to be parallel. It'll have to stop here. Continue on there. Make sure this is lined up with this. A ruler can help. This and this.